This 3D LINPopUp card with the bear motif is a unique and creative gift idea for any occasion. When the card is opened, a cute bear unfolds in a 3D design. In one gift, he holds a number from 0 to 9, which you can choose freely. The bear is surrounded by other gifts that make the card a real eye-catcher. The card is handmade from high-quality paper and designed with great attention to detail. This card is the perfect way to give someone a special treat. It is an individual and personal gift that will be remembered for a long time.